So these are sons and daughters of soil, of the soil. And I think it is our responsibility standing here today. And I thank Usha and Shrikant for doing this. Probably Krishna and I cannot take up such initiatives, but I'm so proud of these two youngsters. So when I look at these youngsters, I wonder, oh my God, they are, I mean, I don't know, 5 times, 10 times more faster, or even more faster than the thought process that we all came back uh, to the times that we had to get him. But for this time, I think we need more Shrikants and more Ushas for this country. I think people like Jay and Subarangai Garu and Ajit and Bala and all of you will agree with me that we need to create this kind of bandwidth for the future of the next 50 years or the next 75 years for India going forward. Having said that, congratulations to you once again and best wishes. Good luck. Don't give it up. Don't give it up. Keep on innovating, and don't worry about the rest.
Earlier Gurukul education, where were the certificates, where were the degrees? Whether it's emperor's son or Sipai's son, they used to go to forest and they whatever Guru says, they used to learn all those things. No certificates were there. Right? Today IIT certificate, PhD, Stanford and all that. I think that certificates and PhDs, paper, these things all over. The Gurukul education, Ekalavya education is coming back. That's where I think the contribution from people like SOIL, more startups should come forward and enable this ecosystem so that more children can be guided properly.
To think of problem solving in totality, looking at all objectives and not just single objective, require multidisciplinary, multi-objective, multi-people approaches. Now we talk of problem solving without asking first what is the right problem to solve. And I think that is the first and the most important thing. And let me again use COVID.
California for about 8 years, and we came back and we didn't know where to put her in school, and because it's difficult, the education system.
It was through my school that we learned about soil, and I immediately was like, this is a great experience. And this was something very new for me. As you can see, I am not very good at talking with people, and so it was very new, and I really liked my first internship.
Now, if you put right seed in right time, that makes all the difference. The soil is doing really great work. I have been observing the type of innovations that they are making in teaching learning process, starting with the kids.
How the kids which are coming out of their pedagogy are getting the best opportunity globally, is already starting to validate that what they were conveying is now working.
Seeding an idea into a child's thought process, right? So helping them to grow, build that up. I think that is great about what soil is all about.
The best moments, I believe, they're trying to groom kids from very young. I think that's the need of the hour, especially for a country like us, where we have such a large population, and traditionally we have been just in a service model. But I think for the country to grow and economy to increase, we have to be a creator rather than a consumer. So I think this platform will help mature many kids who can create something new. And